Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for that statement piece butcher block cutting board, then look no further than these ones from Cozifa. Just look how beautiful this is. This is ingrained wood, and you can see the different textures and designs within the wood, even the different colors, and I just love that. I got the 13-inch round dark walnut wood one, and it is absolutely stunning. It's finished with linseed oil, beeswax, and lemon oil, and I really like that because it doesn't leave deep knife marks after I've been cutting, and it actually repels water as well, so I can tell that it's been finished really nicely. Now, you will want to apply some kind of beeswax oil or other cutting board wood oil to it about every 3 to 4 weeks in order to keep that finish nice and your board well seasoned so that it can last you for a long time. I love the handles on this. This is over 4 pounds, and it makes it really nice to be able to carry it around, move it around, and not worry about dropping it. You can use both sides, and this can double as like a charcuterie board or display board for food that you're serving, and I really like that functionality. There's also a juice groove, so if you're cutting meat or something else like a tomato that's really juicy, that will help collect it so it doesn't pour all over your countertop. I think this is an amazing cutting board. I love having it in my kitchen, and that's my point of view.